What's good, YouTube? I'm back with another video. Today, I picked up some things from ProStylingTools.com. One of the things I picked up is the StyleCraft Uno. Now, this is just a shaver, plastic wrapped and everything. This is my first StyleCraft product that I've bought. I don't know what to expect. I honestly don't know what to expect from them, but this packaging looks real dope. 9,000 RPM. It's got a forged blade, USB charger, and it's a pretty small one. It says 120-minute run time. In the box, you got the shaver, you got a cap, you got a USB charger, and you got a forge cutter, and you got a crunch cutter. And it comes with a velvet bag. That's dope. That's dope. As you can see, I got the red one. It comes in blue, and then I think Gamma has the black one. So yeah, it does come with two different blades. Shows a picture of everything it comes with. You got the blades, you got the top, the charger, all that. Super close, ultra thin cutting, hypoallergenic gold titanium foils. Keep the most sensitive skin free of razor bumps, ingrown hairs, and skin irritation, and that's big. Especially for black people, I think it's big because we just have some real sensitive skin, and a lot of black people I don't use shavers on at all. It has a rapid charge, so it'll charge in just 30 minutes. It's lightweight, 3.2 ounces. 1 year warranty on it. Let me cut this open and see what it's like. Now, I'm not expecting this to have a dock. It looks way too small. Ooh, this is tiny. I got it for like the little area and the mustache and things like that. Just smaller areas that's harder to get in with other shavers. This is very small. It's real nice, nice size, tiny. Top on it, okay. And there's only one way to put the top. So the top, you can't put it on backwards. You can only put it on forward by the way it's shaped. All right, now in the box, underneath, you got, okay, you got your under here is taped here. You got a blade on here. You got a velvet bag. It really is velvet. You can't really see it, but it says StyleCraft Uno. Comes with a block and a charging cord. You got a little brush, and you got your manual, of course. I got a question. Do y'all really be reading the manuals? Because sometimes I'll just be, I don't know. All right, this is, it's a professional razor, but this looks like something you could even use at home. It's real tiny. This could fit in your pocket. So I'm gonna take this joint to the shop, and I'm gonna use it for a couple days and see what I think. This is real nice. StyleCraft Uno. I don't really have high hopes. It's just a smaller shaver, but I think it is dope, and I think that it will make our job a little bit easier at the shop. So I'm gonna check it out. I've come to the conclusion that this is a pretty solid piece of equipment. This is a great tool. Do you need it? Not necessarily, but it's a good thing to have. So it's not a necessity, but it's something that I think makes your job easier. I know a lot of times we line people up with the razor and there will still be hair left. This will get all of that. And that's what I've been using it for. I've been using it around the nose, these little areas right here on the beard, behind the ear, even sometimes around the lineup just for cleanup work. It's a pretty dope tool in my opinion. For it to be my first StyleCraft, I think this is a good one for me. It's great for at-home use. You can use it under the neck. You can use it on everything. Hypoallergenic foils. You could use it on a bald head. I wouldn't. It takes a while if you're going to do that, but it does have power. All in all, I'm gonna probably keep this in a lineup. I'm not gonna use it on every person obviously, but I will use it on a decent amount of people. I use the forged blade, but I prefer the crunch blade on it. It just glides through hair very easily and it gets a lot more hair in my opinion. If you have this shaver, comment below and let me know what you think about it. Like, subscribe, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next video as always.